Morning, 5th class children. Good morning, everyone. So, how are you, children? Everyone are interested. You are doing whatever works we are giving. So, how you are now? So, how you are doing your works? Whatever I am giving homeworks, it may be whatever it may be. So, children, they completed near to the textbook. Near completion of the textbooks, we are near very much. So, here till yesterday we have been completed 19 lessons. That is very short lesson. So here that I explained you imperative, comparative, grammar part. Okay. So today lesson number 20. We are moving to the lesson number 20. So that is a picture puzzle piece. 20 picture puzzle piece. So picture puzzle piece అనేది Sheldon Silver Strain is his name. Silver Strain is his name. Picture puzzle poem he wrote piece. So here now we will go to the picture puzzle piece. Okay. So here his name is Sheldon Silver Strain. On picture puzzle piece lying on the sidewalk. On picture puzzle piece soaking in the rain. So here it is a picture puzzle piece. Here lying sidewalk. On the sidewalk. It is a sidewalk. On the picture puzzle soaking and pitch on in the rain. On one picture puzzle piece. So one picture puzzle piece lying on the sidewalk. Here one picture puzzle is lying on the sidewalk. One picture puzzle piece soaking in the rain. It is a soaking in the rain again. Another picture puzzle. So lying means it is lying down in the sidewalk. It might be a button of blue. So here a shoe. Here a shoe. What is a button? Blue button means shoe lady. It is a lady. Here. On a coat of woman. On a coat of woman. It is a button of a blue woman. It is a shoe lady. It is having a button of blue on a coat of a woman. Who lived in a shoe? Who lived in the shoe? This is known as shoe. It might be magic bean. It is a magical bean. You know what is meant by bean? Yeah. So, or a fold in red. Bean ante manam voice bean, that one is a bean. Or a fold in the red, it is on in the red. Velvet robe of queen, a queen of grown. It is a velvet robe. It might be a one little bite. It will be a one of the little bite. On of the apple, her stepmother. Here stepmother means you know everyone. Yes. So gave to the Snow White. She gave to the Snow White. It might be a will of a bride. It is a will of a bride. Or a bottle with some evil genies inside. It is a genie inside of the bottle. It might be a small drop of hair. It is might be a small drop of hair. On the big bunchy bell. You know bunchy means, yes, bell. Oh Bobo, or the beer. Oh Bobo, the beer. It might be a bit of a cloak of the witch of the west. As she melts to smoke, it might be a shadow trace. Oh, of a tear that round down an angel face. Nothing has more possibilities than one old wet picture puzzle piece. So here you are seeing here, she is taking a bath. So once again, here it is a very peaceful. Only just they are telling about a poem. Idoka poem gurunchi cheptunnaru. See you. Here it is a poem. On a picture puzzle, one on the picture puzzle lying in the side wall. One picture puzzle soaking in the rain. It might be a button of blue on the coat of woman who lived in the show. It might be a magical bean or a fold red. Here you are seeing how the children are there. So on a here a lady is catching a stick. See how they are doing, children. Okay. Once again I'll repeat the poem. Okay, so it is a picture you have been shown. One picture puzzle piece lying on the sidewalk. One picture puzzle piece soaking in the rain. It might be a button of blue on the coat of woman who lives in a show. It might be a magical bean or a fold in the red velvet robe of the queen. It might be the one little bite of the apple her stepmother gave to Snow White. It might be a weevil of a bride or a bottle with some evil genie inside. It might be a small truff of a one on the big bunchy bell. Oh Bobo the bear. It might be a bit of a cloak of the witch of the west as she melted to the smoke. It might be a shadow trace of the tear that runs down an angel face. Nothing has more possibilities than one of the picture puzzle piece. So this is a piece of a puzzle here given. So now we have been completed the lesson. You also once again go to the lesson. So I have read for you. So here we are moving to the summative assessment now. Now A, B, C, D, E. It is a blue button, a lock of hair, a red velvet, a shadow, piece of cloth. So this is the A, B, C here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tear of an angel. Here tears means you know. In here the picture we can see her, she is crying tears in whatever here I explained you. Okay. Show a lady. Smoky witch. A queen, groom, bear's belly. So first one blue button, it is a show lady. A clock of hair, it is a bear's belly. Red velvet, it is a queen crown. Next a shadow, it is a tear of an angel. Next piece of cloth is a smoky witch. So these are the A, B, C, D matching the following. Next we are going here. He given some for us to read. Okay. So this is very easy. Here she is a B.S. Bobby. Here in the lesson only here there for you. So here A. She is a picture puzzle. This puzzle song we have to write here. Okay. Write the lines of the poem corresponding to the picture. First picture ki enti chuddam. So first picture I explained you here. Next I am writing now in the blackboard. Write down everyone. First picture it had me the button of blue coat woman who lived in the show. Okay, first one it. Bit number 2. A. It might be a button of blue on the coat of the woman. Who live, write down in the textbook in a show. So this you have to write here. No need to bother. You have to write here. Okay. ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది మీకు ఇక్కడ ఇందులో. Okay. Here you have to write A. Second B. Picture it here. Angel is eating apple. It might be the one little bite of the apple her stepmother gave to Snow White. So these are the B1. Here she is given. Here Bobby Bear. Next Bobby Bear and the girl Angel. Write down in your textbook, everyone. See, it might be a small tuft of hair on the big bunchy bell of Bobo Bear. Bunchy belly of Bobo the bear. Next it is a D1. A bit of the claw of the witch of the west. So here we completed the picture A. First one I wrote here for you. Next B also I have wrote. This is a C1. It might be a small stuff of the hair on the big bunchy belly of a Bobo Bear. Next C1 it is a bit of clock of the witch of the west. This is one. So here we completed the small. It is a small poem. Okay, there is no need. It is not a so big. It is a small poem. So once again I will repeat for you that poem. Okay, picture puzzle piece. So I will repeat for you once again. One picture puzzle of a piece lying on the side wall. One picture puzzle piece soaking in the rain. It might be a button of blue on the coat of the woman who lived in the show. It might be a magical bean or a fold in the red velvet robe of a queen. It might be the one little bite of the apple her stepmother gave to Snow White. It might be the will of the breath or a bottle with some evil genius inside. It might be a small tuft of hair, one of the big bunchy bell, oh Bobo the bear. It might be a bit of the clock of the witch of the west as she melts to smoke. It might be a showers trace of the tears that runs down the angel face. Nothing is more possible than one old picture puzzle. So here we completed the small lesson. Here given comprehension. Just I'll explain you. Tomorrow I'll continue the comprehension. So here it is only less time we taken for the poem. The wonder called Taj Mahal. Just I'll give explanation. Tomorrow I'll continue this one. A wonder comprehension lo. A wanderer called Taj Mahal is one of the 7th wonder of the world. It is a very beautiful place. Chala beautiful ante enta beautiful place Taj Mahal, you know. It is in the Agra. So it is a very beautiful place. Chala andanga untundi. So here you know who Emperor Shah Jahan ఎవరి కోసం ఇది కట్టారు? Mumtaz. For the Mumtaz కోసం. It has been called Mumtaz Mahal. So Taj Mahal endu kattado Shah Jahan with the love. He has loved so much to the Mumtaz, so he want to give the gift to her. So he had built this much beautiful Taj Mahal to her. So it is a very beautiful, it is a seventh wonder of the world. So a little bit explanation I will give, tomorrow I will do continuation. Here children, it is a very beautiful, chala beautiful, okay, it is a very beautiful Taj Mahal. Wonder ante enta adbhutamayindo idi, it is a called Taj Mahal, chala adbhutamaindi ee oka Taj Mahal ani antaru. It is a very very most popular of architecture, it is a very famous all over world lo, it is very famous, and it is near, it is situated in Agra, near to the Agra. So here it is situated near to the Agra. Inka it is a who emperor of the Shah Jahanism, it is a movement house of the tomb of being loved wife. Love chess, enta love chessar because he has built it for her, that is a Taj Mahal to the Mumtaz Mahal we will call. Okay children, tomorrow more I will explain you. So it is a very beautiful place. So here for the 23 years, more than 23 years, 20,000 people had worked for this building. For what? Taj Mahal. So here his name is, who emperor of Shah Jahan is the Mumtaz kosam ee oka mahal ni kattaru. So briefly tomorrow I will explain you. Okay, brief ga tomorrow I will explain for you. So here you write down this all in the page number 93 meeku ichanu. On the blackboard I wrote here. So tomorrow I will explain this comprehension as well as everything I will explain you. So here again oval words, everyone know oval words A E I O U. This is a grammar part, some I will explain you. Oval words A E I O U are the oval words. A for aeroplane, and like that we will oval words are there, some of there. So next parts of speech, ఇవన్నీ గ్రామర్ పార్ట్లో వస్తాయి. పంచువేషన్, పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్, తర్వాత వచ్చేసి సింగులర్, ప్లూరల్, వర్బ్స్, అడ్వర్బ్స్, వర్బ్స్ ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్లో. మళ్ళీ తర్వాత పంచువేషన్, తర్వాత ప్యాసేజెస్, ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ గివింగ్ ఏ పోయం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు చూస్ ది క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ conversation, sambhashana, they will give to one topic, so we have to discuss about that topic children. So these are some grammar part I will explain you at the last, no need to worry. So first we have to move from the here, so many grammar part are conjunctions, interjunction, verb, adverb, noun, pronoun, next adverbs, these all are parts of speech. Grammar part lo kuda prati okati manaki important. English antene it is a బేసిక్ మొత్తంగా ఏందో గ్రామర్ పార్టే ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ నథింగ్, ఇట్ విల్ బి దేర్. దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ పిక్చర్స్ ఆర్ దర్ వేస్ట్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ హాఫ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ 80% పేపర్ ఈజ్ ద ఫర్ యూ, సారీ 70% ఆఫ్ పేపర్ మీకు మొత్తం గ్రామర్ పార్ట్, జస్ట్ 30% it is a question answers. So when you are perfect in the grammar only you will be very success. ఎందుకంటే grammar is most important for English. So whatever is, I am, so ఇవన్నీ గ్రామర్ పార్ట్లో. వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్, మళ్ళీ గ్రామర్ పార్ట్. సో హియర్ దెర్ ఈజ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ grammar part we have to learn. So slowly we will learn in the, so here now we don't have the classes, but I will my struggle ఎంత నాకు వచ్చినంత మీకు చెప్తాను. సో నాకు ఎంత వచ్చో మీకు అంతా చెప్తాను, అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ కూడా మీకు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ క్లాసెస్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్స్, నౌ సో యూ ఆల్సో వాంట్ టు స్ట్రగుల్, మీరు కూడా యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్ట్రగుల్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్. మీరు కూడా you have to struggle with me. If you struggle you will be best. So a teacher only can make everything. Ante teacher vallane lawyer, doctors, whatever they the teacher is a very very important thing. So in the future, so what you want to become, you will tell doctor, engineering, all you will tell, but no one will tell the teacher. Why? Because teacher will bear everything. Teacher ప్రతి ఒక్కటి తట్టుకునే శక్తి టీచర్ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. సో హౌ ఫ్రమ్ నర్సరీ టు 10th వి విల్ బేర్ యూ, మిమ్మల్ని ఏమంటారు మొత్తం కాపాడుకుంటూ తర్వాత మిమ్మల్ని మొత్తం భరిస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ అ టీచర్. సో స్మాల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఫర్ యూ అండ్ బై ద బుక్స్ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఫర్ యూ. దిస్ ఈజ్ అ నాట్ ఫర్ అస్, వీ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ దిస్ మచ్ బెనిఫిట్. సో నవ్ ఐ విల్ లీవ్ మై క్లాస్ చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సో లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. యువర్ పేరెంట్స్, మా పేరెంట్స్ మాటలు కూడా వినాలి. దట్ ఈస్ మై రిక్వెస్ట్. సో నవ్ ఐ విల్ లీవ్ మై క్లాస్. Thank you very much children. 5th class children, do better.